Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about jewelry.
Hi. Hello. What's your favorite item of jewelry? Well, I have quite a lot of ornaments, but my favorite one is a necklace. When did you buy it? I don't remember exactly when, but I guess I bought it years ago. What's it made of? It's made of silver. How does it look? It looks gorgeous with a ruby clover-shaped pendant. Why do you like it? I believe it can bring me good luck in everything I do. What's special about it? I love the vintage style of my necklace. It really goes with my classic dresses. Does it remind you of something? Yes, I spent my first month's salary buying it, so the necklace encourages me to work hard and earn more money every day. How much does it cost? Around $400 if I'm not mistaken. Do you usually wear it? Yes, I just wear it all the time. I'll be missing it if I don't see it.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about jewelry. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.